Hey guys, this is Limericks back again with another video. I picked up this little mini PC by BosGame. We're just gonna do an unboxing. It comes with an AMD Ryzen 3 3200U, up to 3.5 gigahertz. Comes shipped with Windows 11 Pro. It has 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. We'll see if that's upgradable. And also ships with a 256 gigabyte NVMe SSD. And we'll see pretty much what all it comes with, the ports, and then we'll kind of go from there. So box is very straightforward. Not a lot of writing, just tells you the model number and all that kind of stuff there. So we're going to open up the box. So very straightforward. As you can see, it's a very tiny little computer. It fits just in my hand. Very good for office use. If you just don't have the space to have a big desktop computer, this is a really good alternative. So front has push your power button, headphone, microphone jack, USB-C, and then two USB-A 3.0 plugs. On this side, you have a micro SD card reader and the Kensington lock. And on the back, looks like it does support dual monitor output with one USB 3.0, one USB 2.0, and then just a LAN connection. I don't know if this is a gigabit or if it's just a standard 10100, so we'll check this in the manual. But yeah, very small little box. But based on specs, kind of a good deal. I'll let you guys know what the price is here in a second. So there's the computer. Here is your product and safety info. Basically your manual. Shows the actual detailed specs right there. And then of course instructions on how to plug everything in. Alrighty. Alright, so the box right here comes with just a power adapter. Let's see, 19 volt, 3.4 amps. Not too bad. And I think that is everything in the box. Oh, maybe something else underneath it. Yep, no, there's something else underneath here. So this right here, let's see. I believe this is the VESA mount. From the looks of it, I actually don't know. Let's see. Computer frame, yeah. So it is the frame and screw, which I believe is the VESA mount. That's what they have it labeled as. And looks like it's a HDMI, like a foot long cable. But yeah, so put this back in here since we're not gonna use it. Mount it as a mini PC behind the monitor, but if you're really constrained for space, definitely utilize it. So we'll put that back in here. Close this up. And we'll put this up. But yeah, so this. But yeah, so this is the computer. I'll be doing some testing on it in a different video to see what the thermals and acoustics are like and how it actually just performs. Price point wise, at the time of recording, the actual unit is on sale. It's about $120. plus tax US. Retails at normally 160. So if it packs a punch for the price point, you really can't beat it. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.